Okay, so today I am looking at the Krups My Memory Toaster. Kiddo, of course, is eating eggs instead of toast today. We went ahead and pulled it out, peeled off all the stickers. We're gonna go ahead and give this toaster a whirl and see how it comes out. This is actually gonna be my first digital toaster, or at least first toaster with a countdown screen on it. All the toasters I'm used to are just put the toast in and push the lever, and you get what you get. So we're gonna try this thing out.
Get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Get what you get and you don't throw a fit, yep. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a shot and we'll get back to you. All right, so there's the countdown timer. It's got 7 different settings. So 1 to 7, 1 being the lightest, 7 being the darkest. We have it on the middle, which is 4. It's counting down. You can cancel. There's an actual bagel set that's pre-set for a specific time. There's a defrost setting and obviously your selection. You can make a favorites button for some reason. I'm assuming that will store whatever setting you have here onto that, but why you would need that, I'm not sure, because you can just hit this button a couple of times and go back to your number 4. It's not like it does a multi-function, and when this turns off on its own and I start it back up, it's already set to the last setting on the toaster. So I'm not sure exactly what that favorites button will do. I did not go through the manual. I do not use the manuals. I want to see how difficult they are to figure out right out of the box. It does have a short cord, and that's for tripping and electrocution hazards. And let's go ahead and show you the model while that's cooking. So this is KH320D50. It's pretty nice. It's lightweight, looks nice. It's easy to keep clean. It's got a little tray that you push in the back. Now, one thing I will tell you is that it does say right up front to burn off the new smell by doing 2 cycles. And it says to turn the knob and push the lever down. Well, there are no knobs. So what it meant was to push the button until it's on the max setting, then push this down for 2 cycles. And the smell does go away. So we're at about 10 seconds here, and we'll see if it pops the toast out. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
That scared me.
All right, so there's some toast. 4 looks a little too crispy for me, so I'm gonna go down to a 2 and see what that looks like. All right, stand by. All right, so the sun is eating level 4 toast, nice and crispy. I made some level 2 toast. I'm gonna call it level 2. That looks more like my speed. Nice. It's actually pretty uniform on both sides and on both slices. Pretty impressive. I'm digging it so far. Heats up quick. All right. This again was the Krups My Memory Toaster. Check it out. If I can find a link for it, I'll put it down in the description. But so far, I'm liking it. It's definitely a lot better than the previous toaster that I was using, which has already been packaged up in a box and is ready to be donated. Alrighty, on to the next.
Peace.